let's compare Indian cities. All right, I'm going to name you one city at a time in India, right? And you have to tell me some interesting data point that you have learned about that city through your data. All right, let's begin with.
ये तो रैपिड फायर से भी खराब क्वेश्चन है.
Yeah, this is very hard. I love this.
नहीं, one second.
I specially planned this for you.
There has to be a pause there. There has to be a breathing. क्या बोलते हैं?
You get a 30-second timeout between each city, okay? So the first city is Mumbai.
So common belief is कि Bombay is the most expensive city in the country. Can we
Yes.
agree on that?
Yes, we can. And I know you're going to say something now.
नहीं.
Yeah, it is the most expensive
It is the
city.
most expensive
Right.
city in the country. ये सब बोलते हैं and काफी हद तक ये सही है. सही है.
Right.
But 20% of homes that get sold, new homes that get sold in Bombay are actually priced less than 1 crore. ये हमको भी पता नहीं था.
No way. If you
20%, I'll again repeat, less than 1 crore.
So is this Mumbai or MMR?
No. Bombay city.
This is Mumbai
Kolaba
city.
से दहीसर
Right.
या VT से मुलुंड.
Right.
एंड चर्चगेट टू दहीसर के बीच में 1 करोड़ के कम घर बिकते हैं.
You're joking.
तो इतना बॉम्बे को गाली मत दो.
My God.
यस महंगी सिटी है बट
1 in every 5 is below 1 crore.
20% houses, yes, you can find homes less than 1 crore. They could be smaller in
No,
size.
of course. I mean, how else do you make a...
But हैं. It's a big shock even when the data came to us. Right? Now I know you reacted कि आप क्या बोलने वाले मुझे पता है.
हाँ.
वो हमने भी रिलीज किया था some time back कि गुड़गांव has become a little more expensive,
Right.
but not in a volume.
Right.
So
It's just a
believe
couple
me,
of projects there which
बॉम्बे
are...
को बहुत गाली पड़ती है because the tinsel town is here. सब अमीर लोग यहाँ रहते हैं. सही बात है.
Right.
But there is an
You know,
affordable part of
Abhishek,
Bombay.
I'm feeling so bad for, and this is to my Green Cottage team especially, to all the leads we've not serviced because the budget has been 1 crore, 10 lakhs. I'm actually sorry now. Like, you know, we've let go of everything.
ये वापस करेंगे. नहीं,
You know-
वापस बुलाओ मुझे.
How do I? Because, you know, generally as a thumb rule in our, at least that brokerage division, we don't entertain clients with 1 crore budget in Mumbai city because we assume that
तो हमारे
कुछ है ही नहीं listing मेरे पास, to be honest.
तो हमारे एक बहुत अच्छे क्लाइंट हैं. I don't talk to him as frequently now, but when I was at Bank of America, I used to talk to him more frequently. The very popular Vikas Oberoi.
Ah.
तो I still remember his dialogue very very well. He said, अभिषेक जितना एफर्ट मुझे 2 करोड़ घर बेचने में लगता है उतना ही एफर्ट 20 करोड़ घर बेचने में लगता है. उतना ही एडवर्टाइज करना पड़ता है, उतना ही सेल्स डिपार्टमेंट बैठाना पड़ता है, उतना ही कॉफ़ी पिलानी पड़ती है. तो मैं क्यों करूं 2 करोड़ का, मैं 20 करोड़ का करूंगा. बोला सर आपकी मर्जी. सो प्लीज आप थोड़ा केटर करिए हमारे अफोर्डेबल.
Right, absolutely. But I do agree with Mr. Oberoi. The mehnat is the same, at least in a place like Mumbai,
Yes.
where you'll find enough people with also 20 crore budgets. So
Yes.
But yes, let's not neglect. Clearly, that's 20%. 1 crore. That's interesting. I did not know that.
Mayank, you often say that you use our data to do whatever you do best. Sometimes data even surprises us. हमें लगता है हम टॉप हैं, हमारे पास सब कुछ है, but data surprises us as well.
That's crazy. Now let's look at the next city, Delhi.
Delhi. Mayank, Delhi is a tier 3 city.
Okay.
Okay? Delhi is not tier 1. It should be demote क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
Demotion.
Demotion होना चाहिए उसका tier 3. उसमें आपको पता है कितने घर बिकते हैं हर साल? आप गेस करना चाहेंगे? 500. 500 homes sell in Delhi.
Only 500.
NCR is only Gurgaon. गुड़गांव की बात करो, अदरवाइज बात ही मत करो.
So if you take out Gurgaon,
And
Delhi
now
stripped
the
off
emerging
everything.
brother, the emerging infant Noida, Delhi should be a tier 3 city.
500 homes.
Only 500 homes, new homes. We're discussing new
500
homes.
primary homes, yes.
Yeah? अब अभी आपको महंगा 500 करोड़ का घर खरीदना है, बंगला खरीदना है, या दिल्ली में है, awesome, great, super. But new homes 500. So for me, Delhi city doesn't exist for
So
real
Delhi
estate.
is just
अपना
piggybacking
capital है,
on
but
Gurgaon.
real estate. हाँ.
So Delhi just piggybacking on Gurgaon.
Gurgaon is the rock star when it comes to homes.
Okay, how about...
So इसलिए तुमने दिल्ली पूछा, मैं दिल्ली का आंसर दिया.
Yeah, fair. How about the biryani capital for me in India, Hyderabad?
As an Indian, I should feel proud this time because Hyderabad will now see world's largest campus, office campus for Amazon, and the world's second largest office campus for Google. Not San Francisco, not London, not Boston, not New York, but Hyderabad. Can you believe it?
My God.
Not Singapore, not Japan. I'll again repeat. Largest office campus in the world of Amazon, and the second largest campus of Google is Hyderabad city.
My God.
That's a wow moment for all
That is
Indians.
pretty incredible, huh? Jeff Bezos trusted Hyderabad, huh? Like, largest.
Believe me, the Reddys have a lot of money and lot of NRIs.
Clearly, yeah. Your report, Hyderabad, I think last year sold was the third highest number of luxury homes in India.
Rockstar.
And that too counting regions, huh? They counted you all counted Delhi NCR, which is a region, and MMR as a region.
Yep.
And then Hyderabad alone.
Yep.
And Hyderabad still came third, which is incredible.
Absolutely.
I think a lot of money in Hyderabad. We need to start a branch in Hyderabad as well.
नहीं अभी एक और सिटी बाकी है.
हाँ.
अब I'm hoping it will come in your question.
Yes, we are gonna. The next city is, any guesses? Pune.
I don't know what to say about Pune. Pune, okay, I'm allowed to give a longer answer.
Yeah,
तो ऐसा है कि बॉम्बे में जब आपने पैसे कमाया और अगर घर खरीद लिया है तो नेक्स्ट हाउस हैज टू बी पुणे.
It's like a suburb of Bombay.
इट्स वैसे भी नया एयरपोर्ट तो पुणे एयरपोर्ट ही है. मैं तो सबको बोलता हूँ कि नया एयरपोर्ट बॉम्बे एयरपोर्ट नहीं है, साला वो पुणे एयरपोर्ट है. सॉरी फॉर द लैंग्वेज, राइट? बट इफ यू हैव अराइव्ड इन बॉम्बे, यू हैव टू हैव अ हाउस इन पुणे, राइट? बीवी शायद एक ही होगी, बट घर दो होंगे. ओके. बट ऑन अ सीरियस नोट, अगेन वी वर शॉक्ड that last 3-4 साल से, forget about NCR and MMR because those are very large regions.
Right.
As an individual city, Pune sold the maximum number of homes up to even 1 lakh homes. You know, Bombay में कितने घर, दिल्ली में कितने थे? 500.
500.
Bombay में around 45 to 50,000. Pune is 1 lakh.
My God.
Consistently over last 3-4 years. Are they producing more babies?
You know, when the first time, this was I think 2021 when I read that report.
Post-COVID, Pune छाप रहा है.
Yeah, literally. I was stunned to see that. And from 21, 22, 23, 24, I've been reading the same thing. Every year, Pune has sold the most number of primary homes year after year.
Believe me, they're not producing more babies. Okay.
They're chopping more money for sure.
They're having more jobs. But
Right.
वो job Bangalore में भी है, Hyderabad में भी है, Gurgaon में भी है.
Do you think it's because of the affordability of Pune?
That is the point.
Correct answer. Crazy. Now, the next city is what most people refer to as the Silicon Valley of India, Bangalore.
I love Bangalore. And
More than just apart from the weather as well.
actually,
Do you like Bangalore real
मुझे
estate?
सिर्फ Bangalore से एक ही problem है, which is its traffic.
And that Kannada thing, no? You have to.
नहीं
now
देख,
you
अरे
know
I was in
Kannada.
Bangalore last week. Believe me, the Uber Moto वो भी मैंने use किया, Uber Auto भी use किया, Cab भी use किया. They've really gotten better with Hindi.
Yeah. Okay.
Practical experience I can tell you. चलो, तो वो problem भी solve हो गया. Bangalore was the city. Hear me very carefully. Was the first city and the fastest city to reach 100 million square feet of grade A office space. And again repeat, fastest. मतलब zero. समझो सब city zero पे थे. Which city reached 100 million the fastest? तो Bombay and Delhi took about 50 years. Old cities हैं,
50
old cities हैं.
correct.
1970s में भी offices हैं Nariman Point में, Barakhamba in Delhi, Connaught Place.
Right.
Right? Bangalore is a relatively new city. Hyderabad is new. Pune is new. Bangalore reached 100 million in 20 years, which they reached in 50 years.
And when did Bangalore reach it? What year? Any idea when they?
When did it reach 100? We are in 2025 now. Now it is at 280 million. So 100 would be in late 2010s.
Got it.
10, 11.
Interesting.
Just around the GFC.
Full blitzkrieg.
Boss.
100 million and this is you're talking only grade A, huh? This is grade A.
280 mil. पूरा अपना जो पूरा स्टॉक है ना इंडिया का is 900. उसमें से 280. Let's round it to 300. 1/3
1/3
sits
is
in that
Bangalore.
city. No wonder it's a silicon of not India, silicon of the East.
Absolutely. That's incredible. Again, I did not know that as well. Now the last city is, I think there's something in that city's air. It makes me very slow at least, and not feel like working. That city is Kolkata.
Can we skip this?
Yeah.
Do I have to answer? देखो यार, honestly, Calcutta originally was the capital of India. Delhi नहीं था,
Right.
Calcutta था, East India Company.
Right.
Love the city, love the food, love the culture. very very smart, literate, intellectual people,
Right.
very cultural, very very creative, सब कुछ rocking है यार. But मैं एक statistic देता हूँ, since we asked Bangalore, I don't know you intentionally did it or not, 280 million square feet of grade A in Bangalore, you know कितना है Calcutta में? 40. 40.
उतना तो BKC में होगा, I think. Just BKC alone.
It actually pains
Oh my
me as
God.
an Indian and as a realist and analyst to say this.
Only 40 million square feet of grade A office space in Calcutta.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I please excuse me to not say anything more, but what can I say?
My God. Progressive, very, very progressive.
Such a gorgeous city and cultural city.
Yeah, cultural, very cultural. But work-wise, I guess, little slow. Let's just keep it there. Okay, so according to you, out of all the cities,
Yes.
which Indian city is the best for residential capital appreciation?
देखो यार, जहाँ jobs है वहाँ तरक्की है या क्या बोलते हैं? My Hindi is also getting better. There's progress where there's jobs. There's prosperity where there's jobs. So
Right.
hands down, housing is Bangalore.
Oh, okay.
100% Bangalore. Because
I thought you would say Pune, but
I would have said Pune, but Pune में अभी थोड़ा सा काफी supply हो गया है, thanks to the wonderful new DCPR.
right.
And Bombay also has seen this now. क्या बोलते हैं? आप एक land में ज़्यादा घर बना सकते हो.
Right.
So the both cities are going to grapple for some more time. I would have said Pune, but I think I will still stick to Bangalore because that 280 million square feet. Second, the weather. Third, 200 kilometers and you have recreation to do. आप कभी you can go to the beach, you can go to Ooty, you can go to Kodai, you can go to Munnar, you can go to, and believe me, recreation is very important not only for the new Indians who have become that much more sporty. No wonder Decathlon is doing very well. We have become hiking country. We are doing everything that the West did plus more, right?
Right.
Which is why I have serious issues with Ahmedabad and Hyderabad. वहाँ पे recreation कुछ है ही नहीं. Anyway, jokes apart, believe me, Bangalore by far.
Bangalore by far.
Rockstar.
Now, from a commercial rental yield point of view, right? Rental yield on commercial property point of view, right? I don't know how I'm articulating this question, but if you had to choose one Indian city, right, to invest into a commercial office space for the highest rental yield, which city are you most bullish on? To give the highest commercial rental yields in India?
So this time I will listen to you. It's going to be Pune and Bangalore.
Okay.
I'll try and explain why. The human capital, well, I've told it multiple times, but human capital, already 280 million, recreation, सब कुछ. तो Bangalore तो is not uncrowned king, the crowned king.
Right.
तो वहाँ offices तो मतलब, and you know, it's got the lowest vacancy by the way. हम real estate में globally ये बोलते हैं कि if the vacancy is less than 8%, consider it to be zero.
Okay.
क्योंकि उतनी vacancy तो होती ही है.
Right.
Right? 8 is the new zero.
Got it.
And Bangalore has always been in that range. तो आप नया बनाओ,
So
वो
absorption is
बनते
like
बनते
this.
ही भाड़े पे चले जाएगा, बिक जाएगा. It's like that powerful. So ऑफिस तो आपको वहाँ खरीदनी ही चाहिए.
Right.
But amongst the new boys, which includes the Hyderabad, which includes the Gurgaon, which now includes the Noida, it includes the Navi Mumbai and Pune, I will put my hand on Pune. Because it's still affordable, घर भी affordable है, तो you can get more and lot of engineering colleges, तो आपको job, human capital भी मिल जाएगा easily. Lot of engineering colleges there, so lot of human capital gets created every year. It's affordable housing, so people want to stay there, right? Thus, it's good to have office leasing there. And after Bangalore, it is the only other city which is hovering between the 9, 11, 12% vacancy. Baki sab to 20, 18, you know, they're at that level.
Right. Interesting.
So,
चलो
because you ask yield,
right, yield, yeah,
right? तो भाड़े पे जाएगा तो yield मिलेगा ना?
absolutely, absolutely. Goes without saying. Thank you so much for doing this. Appreciate it. Yeah.
My pleasure. Thank you so much. फिर बुलाना.
Of course. Thank you so much. It was a